Hello friends, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty 647-961-2639. And in today's video friends, I would like to discuss sales for the month of December for London St. Thomas real estate area. And in this short video, I would like to discuss, what is driving the sales in London real estate market, and what are the main factors, and what is the city of London has to offer for a lot of first-time buyers who are seeking or looking to buy their first property, or the investors who are looking to invest in this hot real estate market. So friends, London has approximately 450,000, population, and it is a very diverse population. So if I see the mix of, ethnicities, we have Europeans, we have English, we have South Asian, Chinese, Arabs. So it's very multicultural city, and it is still very affordable. Despite the price growth last year, approximately 25% average, they are very, very affordable, because the average price in Toronto GTA is above 900, right? And if even we see Hamilton, Burlington area, the average price is hovering around $735,000. And if you even look at Kitchener-Waterloo, the price again is close to 620, 630 range, whereby the average price for the month of December, as per London St. Thomas Association of Realtors, was $555,000 approximately. And the other thing is, we have mix of employment, opportunities. So London is very healthcare heavy city. So we have London Health Sciences, and then we have St. Joseph Healthcare, we have Thames Valley School District, and the other employers, is Western, TD Canada Trust. Then we have, life insurance companies, 3M, General Dynamics, lot of IT setup companies, video gaming companies. So there's a lot of opportunities there. And then I have some clients who work in south of the city, in St. Thomas, which has a Magna plant. Some drive to Toyota plant in Woodstock as well. So we have a lot to offer. And at the end of the day, guys, there's a lot of influx from people out of town from Greater Toronto area. And I have seen personally in London, most of the sales are still by local buyers, because a lot of people who are sitting in their properties, they have suddenly see their prices grow in 5 years, more than 100%. So as per home price index, in last 5 years, the average price of home in London have grown 118%, actually 118.3%. And in last 10 years, as per the London St. Thomas MLS system, the prices have risen 151,000. So what happened is, friends, when people are sitting on the equity for a long time, and they feel like our family is growing, we need to upgrade to a bigger property. London has a lot to offer. We have a lot of custom builders who can satisfy that demand as well, right? So supply is really, really tight. And for the last 4 or 5 months in 2020, I have seen inventory close to less than 1 month's supply. So as soon as something hit on the market, there's like 20, 30, 40 bids, and the houses, fly off the market. So at the end of December, friends, average price in London North was $673,000 and $872, which is up 29.3% as compared to same month last year, that is December 2019. And if I see the average price point in South London, which is also growing very fast, it is sitting close to $584,000, 997, which is up 24.6% as compared to last year. And the other part, which is East London, average price point is sitting around $434,000, $195 at the end of December, and the prices are up 25.2% as compared to last year. And if I talk about St. Thomas, which is south of London off 401, average price point is sitting $440,557, which is up 10.6%, right? So what's happening is, out of the 596 sales which were reported in December last month, which was a record December as per the board sales data, 440 single family homes were sold, 76 townhomes were sold, and 52 apartments that were sold last month. See, what's happening right now is, with a lending tightness, though the interest rate is still very cheap, the banks give you 4 times your income. And if you want to buy any house in GTA, the average right now is, close to $1 million or average 900,000. So you need, if a family makes 100,000, you need to have 9 times your income or more than 20% down to buy a house. But in London, it's still very affordable. As I said, the banks give you 4 times your income. So if the average price point is 555, that's not bad. You know what I mean? For investors, there's still a yield. You can still, have a cash flow or a good return on your investment. And for the first time buyers, you get, get best bang for the buck, right? And other thing is, friends, according to the MLS home price index, the single family homes have risen 26.6% as compared to last year. And the townhouses have risen 11.5%. And the two-story homes, which are in great demand, they have risen 29.7% as compared to last year. One-story bungalows, they have risen or appreciated 21.3% since last year. And if I talk about condo apartments, they have risen on average 15.9% since last year. And in North London, the condo appreciation is 16.3%. In South London, the condo apartments are 17.6%. So the first time buyers, they have lot of options. They can either buy a condo. They have quite a few mature buildings. You just have to watch out for the financials or the health of the corporation who manages those buildings. But still, you can buy a decent size 900,000 square feet condo still in the range of 300, 350, which is not that bad, right? And people ask me, what do I see for 2021? Friends, I don't see any sign of the market slowing down. Last year there was pandemic. In 2017-18 there was government policies, and those were like, they brought the taxes, foreign buyer tax, then they brought stress test. But government has to put some kind of policy this year to slow it down, because if I see right now on MLS available homes for sale, let's say example a townhouse 2-story, maybe there's 2-3 homes for sale in entire London. If I see good houses less than 700,000 as of today, in the first week of January, maybe like handful, 2-3 houses, and they're holding offers, right? So I see the same trend heading, this year as well. The market is, gonna go very strong, and we have lot of consumer confidence heading to 2020, spring market, and we are coming with lot of momentum. So I don't see any sign of slowing down. I'm very bullish on the market. My predictions, obviously I don't like to give predictions, but the way things are, I'm not surprised even by the end of this year the houses will go up, on average, 7 to 10% again, right? So I feel for first time buyers, I feel affordability is eroding, and the government has to put policy in place to make land more open to the builders, or make sure they give some kind of rebates for the development charges or levies, or incentivize them to make them maybe multi units, or maybe more houses in the price range or affordability, right? Because if banks are giving you 4 times your income, and average income in London, let's say, is $120,000, so they are looking more towards like 500,000, right? So I see in London this year as well, lot of people who are sitting in the in their existing houses, maybe townhouses, or starter a single family home with single garage, they are looking to upgrade, because interest is still very, very cheap. I haven't seen in my entire career, the interest what we can get today, right? So affordability is there. We have vaccination there, and optimism in the market is there. and I see the trend continuing till spring. In the meantime, if you're looking to invest in London market, looking to buy a brand new pre-construction in London, around London, Kilworth, Komoka, Arwa, St. Thomas, depending on your requirements, give Supermax team a call. You can reach us at 519-933-2559. That's the office number. Or you can connect with me directly at 647-961-2639. Or if you're a homeowner, guys, this is the best time to sell. I don't see much supply in the market. Probably you can drive around in your neighborhood. You will notice there's not much sales signs. So the competition is very less, and we have a lot of cash buyers in the market waiting to buy a house. So if you're looking to buy and sell and want to get a good competitive commission packages or get an aggressive marketing plan, give our team a call for a free market evaluation. My name is Jimmy. Thanks for watching, and my number is 647-961-2639. Talk to you soon.